Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Outlook errors on your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we can try to open the Outlook application in a safe mode. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Now here you need to type this outlook.exe space forward slash safe. It's outlook.exe space forward slash save. Click on OK. And here you'll find this profile name, which is the Outlook application. So you have to click on OK. And this will bring up and open the Microsoft Outlook for you. So from here, just enjoy the Microsoft Outlook. And for the next method is we also need to make sure that the version of the Microsoft Outlook that we are using is updated. So in the Windows search bar, type Outlook, Microsoft Outlook Classic. Click on that under the best match. Then here, let me close this Windows first. In the Microsoft Outlook window, you need to locate the File tab, which is at the top left corner. Click on that. And here in the list of options, you have to click on the Office account. And here you'll find the Update option. So this will not only update your Microsoft Outlook, but also the whole Microsoft 365 Office, which because Microsoft Outlook is a product of it. Click on the Update options and click on Update now. That will check for updates, and now it will state you're up to date. The latest version of Microsoft 365 and Office are installed on your computer. Click on close. And we can also try to make some changes in the firewall settings. So for that, in the Windows search bar, type firewall, Windows Defender Firewall under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now in the list of options on the left pane, you will find allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And we need to know the path of the Microsoft Outlook. So in the Windows search bar, type Outlook. Make a right click on the Outlook Classic. Select Open File Location. Now copy this path at the top. Close this window. Paste it from here. Click on this arrow. And then you have to select. So scroll down first and select the Microsoft Outlook, this one. Click on Open, click on Add. So in my case, this is already added in the list of exceptions. So in your case, you have to click on the Add button. And once added, then we need to make sure that the Microsoft Outlook is allowed for both the private and the public. Now simply click on OK. And we can also repair the Microsoft Outlook, and that also means that we are going to repair the Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft 365 Office. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, go with apps, installed apps. But first, we need to know what is the version of the Microsoft Office that we have in our Windows. So in the Windows search bar, open any of the Microsoft 365 product. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Word. Click on this blank document, click on the File tab, click on the More option, click on Account. So this is where you can find the version of your Microsoft Office. So mine is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Now click on the Update options, click on if you're going to update the Microsoft Word from here, you can also do that just like what we did for the Microsoft Outlook. So again, here it is a Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, and the same thing from here. Click on the three dots, select Modify. You'll be asked how are you going to repair it. Go with the Quick Repair first. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Click on the Repair button and click on it once again. And once you have repaired it, just simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if Quick Repair doesn't fix your issue, go back to the same window. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. Look for the version of your Microsoft Office. Click on the three dots, select Modify. This time, go with Online Repair. If Quick Repair doesn't fix, go with Online Repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection. Click on the Repair button and click on the Repair button once again. And you need to wait for the process to be completed and just restart your Windows afterwards. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.